Tesla Cybertruck spotted testing ahead of production start. Tesla Cybertruck spotted testing outside Fremont factory. Production of the truck should start in the coming months, which is really exciting. Tesla is testing Cybertruck again ahead of production, which should start in mid-2023. SNS Reddit posted photos of the electric pickup truck driving near the Fremont factory. The Cybertruck was moving along Cato Road, the street that houses the pilot factory for the 4,680 battery cells that are supposed to power it. The pickup truck looked impressive, and its Blade Runner-inspired design added a surreal touch to everything around it. Although Cybertruck attracted a lot of attention, it blended in harmoniously with the landscape, making a pleasant accent. Looking at it, one gets the impression that the future is intertwined with the present. According to Elon Musk, the company is still building alpha versions of Cybertruck on its pilot line, photos of which were included in the Q1 2023 report. These are the units that are used for various tests. For example, Cybertruck has been tested in winter conditions and a photo of it has also been added to the report. In parallel with this, Tesla is completing the installation of a volume production line at Giga, Texas, which is due to begin production midway through the year. The company expects to start deliveries of Cybertruck in Q3. Musk said this should happen around the end of the quarter, which would take place at a delivery event. At the delivery event, Tesla will also reveal the specifications of Cybertruck and its pricing. He again stressed that the pickup truck is an incredible product that only comes along once in a long time. Musk is confident that consumers will not be disappointed. This is indeed a very radical product that is made in a completely different way than all other cars. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian.